All right, guys, we got the truck running. All right. So, what better time for Busco prep than 12 o'clock the night before? Let's go get a trailer. Step 2 is go get your trailer. And for step 3, we gotta load the trailer. Now, I don't really know what all to pack, but I'm just grabbing a lot. And we can't grab everything right now because we gotta wait for Ryan tomorrow. Step 3, go to work. Now, I think the hardest part about Mudbash is waiting to go there. Step 4, you say what's up to Ryan and you take a quick thumbnail. On to the next step. Hey. Step 5 is pack all your camera gear. Step 6, load more stuff into the truck. Now guys, I hate to let you guys down a little bit. I'm gonna let you guys down just a little bit for Mudbash. I won't have the pit bike out there. The rear tire was flat and I was expecting it to be changed in the same day and I just had unrealistic expectations. But the only thing we're gonna have to ride now is the green one and Ryan's dad's blue one. So as you guys saw in the thumbnail, I'm gonna be riding a 250 around. Hopefully tag along with Kyle, Braden, Garrett, Julius, anybody, Joe. Maybe Joe will let me take out a unit one day, who knows, but we will not be stuck on dirt bikes the entire time, but I am gonna make a dirt bike vlog out of it this weekend, so hope you guys are excited for that. Let's keep going. We got, well, I think we're on step 7 now, maybe missed a few. Let's keep going. Step 7, load up the dirt bikes. I'll take the green one! You got some pep in her step. Here we go. Step 7, step 8 is go to Busco Beach.
Wait, am I camera guy? Starting now?
Starting now.
Give her the beans.
See if she'll start.
Yeah.
Looks like we're going, baby. Let's go, Mudbash.
Oh, you know, your hand! Your hand!
Let's go. Oh, we totally.
I was looking through the camera. I couldn't see it. All right, one more time.
Oh, we got it.
All right, there we go. Let's go.
What an absolute unit of a rig. Let's go. Got the truck all hooked up. Let's freaking go. Ryan's pulling in, and we're going to Busco Beach. All right. First gas up of the night. Let's see if the bike's
please, dear God, let them be up. Let's go! Let's go! We're good.
Hold on, let me see something real quick.
The old Miller Uggadug over here works.
I got a light in this bit!
What?
I was just making sure all the bags are still secure. Cooler's still secure.
Dude, we're good.
Alright, let's go get some food, dude. I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
Dude, I can't believe
your good old Jerry rig right here worked pretty good.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's go get some food. I can't believe I got a light in this thing. That's pretty sick. Old girl's struggling, but we're doing good. Step 8, get some more gas. All right, Ryan, what's your thoughts on your burger, bud?
See, the texture's there, the taste is kind of there, but it's a little dry.
Yeah, need more mozzarella.
The bread seems kind of cheap too.
Well, it's a Sheetz gas station burger.
It's not bad though. I'd say a solid like 6 to 6.5. How was yours?
Well, I gotta figure out where we're freaking going here. My grilled cheese wasn't the best. It wasn't really grilled. It wasn't really cheesy. It was kind of weird, so I'm gonna have to give it like a 2.3, but I got some fries, so we're working on those, but let's keep on trucking. Well, we finally made it to La Casa. We're gonna drop the trailer and go see what the boys are up to, but Mudbash prep is complete. We finally made it. I'm so excited. Tomorrow's gonna be such a fun day. Let's go see what the boys are doing. We're stuck outside. We're trying to get Luke to come save us. What's up, boy?
What it do?
What's up, baby? What's up?
Hey.
What's up, little bit? Oh, you can't see nothing. Hold on.
Hey, I got you.
Dude, you gonna help me with the light?
There you go.
Look at this little
She looks just like her daddy, look.
Oh my, dude, y'all look at the light. Why is she so warm, dude? Hold on, let me hold her. I'm freezing.
She's shivering.
She is shivering. What's up, bud?
How are you?
How you doing? How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Happy, congratulations. I haven't seen. Oh, yep. This dude saved us. Do you have a parking pass in your truck? Yes, sir. Yes, we do. Not
Kind of.
definitely snuck in here, but we're not gonna talk. Oh shit, they're coming. They're coming.
Run.
Hide. Hey,
This is the setup.
where's the setup? Ooh. Yeah. Nice. Big money balling right here. What's up, Bob? What's up, Bob? What you doing? All right, which one am I in? Which one's Brayden?
This one's cool. Brayden's asleep.
No, he's
Tyler's
not.
asleep.
No, he's
Christian,
not.
I swear to God.
I'm gonna go kiss Christian on the mouth.
No,
right now.
he's asleep.
I'm gonna let him.
Hey, is anybody in here?
Hey!
Hey!
What's up, bud?
Hey, what you doing?
Where's Christian at? Where's Christian at? Oh my God! It's my
Way.
What's up, buddy?
Ryan, what's up,
What's up,
guys?
dude?
How's it going? Oh my God.
Oh my God!
I did not expect you, bro.
What's up,
Going
dude?
on? Nothing much. Just,
Dude,
you know,
you partying tonight?
relaxing,
Who's
you know?
sleeping up here?
Julius.
Oh, nice. What's up? Yeah, dude, we snuck in this bitch. Did you? Lieutenant's like, are you sneaking in tonight? And I was like, yes, sir. How you doing?
Tired.
Hi. What do you mean? Did we wake you up?
Yo.
Miller! Oh, my hug now.
What's up? Why is this door? I'm going back to Brayden.
Miller! Let the AC out! Miller!
Brayden's door works.
Miller!
This door doesn't work.
Miller! Miller!
Brayden's door works. Brayden's door works.
You ready?
Yeah. Ryan's still gotta come
Wait,
in.
I'm gonna slam the door in his face.
Oh my God. Come on in. Billy!
I want my hug now.
What's up, bud?
What's up, buddy? Hi, camera. This guy's a loser.
I already hugged Christian in
I
bed.
can't see shit. I don't have my contacts in.
Where are you at? Oh. Dude, what's going on? Why is the roof so tall in this bit?
Yeah, this is the shit. Your name's Miller, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got a secret meeting back here?
Yo, shit, they're jumping me.
Ah! No, secret meeting.
Hey, do not come in here, please. Thank you.
Hey, congrats on the new unit, dog.
Thank you.
Holy shit.
Let me beat his ass.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, what's going on? Do I have why?
Oh, freak.
Oh, frick. Say frick. It's
Frick. Got a can of soda pop, huh? You dopey bit. Let's actually stay right here. Jay, keep him captive. No, you might want to get some video.
Can y'all be quiet, please? We're trying to consult business.
I thought I was getting a t-shirt, man. I was really excited. Bacon?
But where the freak is the bacon?
Why you gotta cut it out? You ain't got a censor for me.
Freak.
Oh my, Joe, what is in your
Non-healthy.
decision?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Sit your ass down, Luke. Don't even come up over here. Don't.
I'm
Your camper's right across the road there.
Hell no, I don't want to stay there.
I don't give a damn where you are staying. Look, I asked for a honey mustard and a sweet and sour at Wendy's.
Bro, I thought there was food in that bag.
Oh my God. That's what they give me.
How many did you ask for? 3
You know
of
what I
each?
said? No shot. 100%.
Can that be a ringtone? Dude, I want that as a ringtone.
Brandon Price is here.
Every time I
Oh my God, it's Buddy Brandon.
Brennan, like, no D, B-R-E-N.
Yeah, like.
Can I have one?
He
This
checked
is
out.
why I bought
I know you'll go up.
food for every one of y'all.
I'm so thankful that you bought all this food.
Turn around, Daddy.
You still,
Look at that garden space right there. The damn toads that damn big around.
What's going on up here?
No, I'm not. That's a good idea.
Chilling.
Entertaining the dog? Clear! Do it. Luke, see you in the morning, dude. Whoa.
Oh, yeah, right. God.
All right, what?
No.
See you in the morning.
man.
See you in the morning. Okay. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. Yeah. Kyle, see you in the morning. Princess.
I'm tired.
Yeah, go to bed. Really? See you in the morning.
Bye.
Kaylin, see you in the morning.
Bye, Kaylee.
Randy, see you in the morning.
Get out.
It's time to go to bed.
Take Ryan right.
Mudbash tomorrow. Let's get into it. We're going to the same place.